Hello everyone, this is Satish Sholi, Civil Engineering Department. Today we are going to take a topic on filtration. In this we are going to see theory of filtration and mechanism and type of filters. The first one, what do you mean by infiltration itself? So filtration is a process where the water is being passed through in filter media or a membrane. So in this case, the membrane or the filter media is a granular material such as in sand over here. Okay, and this process is called as a filtration process. So the sand filter can remove up to 95 to 98% of impurities which are present in water. Okay, and they can also remove bacteria, color, taste, odor, and they clear up the water itself. So this type of infiltration, it also comes under what you can say low cost filtration process. Okay, so this is all about the filtration. So next we are going to see theory of filtration. So theory of filtration is nothing but it is uh, purifying of water under four different processes. Okay, the first one is in mechanical stirring, third one is in sedimentation and flocculation, fourth one is electrolytic charge or an action, and the fourth one is in biological metamorphism. So we are going to see that one by one. First one is a mechanical stirring. So mechanical stirring, what happens here is the suspended particles are bigger in size. Okay, the voids are of smaller in size. So what happens here is they can't pass through these voids of those sand grains. So when they can't pass through these sand grains, so they are being arrested back. So when they are being arrested back, what they do is they make water free from those particles over there. Okay, so normally around uh, upper part of 10 to 5 centimeters only, whatever the impurities are there, they are being held back or they are being arrested. And again what they do is they form an coagulated floc, okay, and which forms a mat on this upper layer itself. Okay, so this mat will also help to remove the impurities. Okay, so by doing so they clean up the water itself. So this is all about the mechanical stirring over here. So next one is in sedimentation and flocculation. So sedimentation and flocculation, what happens here is in the filter they are unable to remove the size smaller than that of voids. Okay, but what we do is we assume that key the voids which are present in this filter media itself, they form in tiny coagulation sedimentation tank. Okay, the colloidal particle which are being arrested in this void, they form a gelatinous mass. So gelatinous mass is nothing but it's in cementing property. Again what they do is they attract the finer particles over here. So by attracting and finer particles, they grow bigger in size and they settle down in these voids itself. Okay, by that process what happens here is they are getting removed out. So they are getting removed out and they are clearing the water itself. Okay, so this is all about the sedimentation and flocculation part. The next one is nothing but an electrostatic charge or an action. So what happens here is it works on the theory of ionization. So as we know that sand grains and the filter media and impurities, they carry electrical charge of opposite in nature. Normally wastewater has a negative charge. Okay, so as we have seen in the coagulation part itself, now when they come into contact they get neutralize each other. Okay, and they changes the water and making the water pure. Okay, so they get attracted to each other and making the water pure itself. So in this base it works. Okay, so this is all about the electrolytic charge or an action itself. So next one is nothing but an biological metamorphism. What happens here? So the raw water carries some of the bacteria, okay, and which are being arrested in the voids of the filters or caught in this process itself. These microorganisms or bacteria, what they do is they feed on the impurities present in water, especially in organic impurities such as an algae itself. Okay, so next what happens? So now these microorganisms, what they do, what I stated earlier itself, they feed on these impurities and convert them into an harmful compound. When they convert them into a harmful compound, that means that they are clearing up the water itself. Okay, and these also forms in a layer on the top of that filter media. It is called as an skin dirt itself. Okay, so this was all about the biological metabolism. So next we will these are the four types of theory of filtration. Okay, so first one is nothing but, as I have stated earlier, first one is nothing but mechanical stirring, sedimentation and flocculation, electrostatic charge or action, biological metabolism. Okay, so these are the four. Next we are going to see, okay, types of filters or the classification. So they are being classified as slow sine filter, rapid sine filter and gravity filter. Okay, or we can say gravity filter. The third one is a pressure filter. This flow chart indicates what the filter is being divided into slow sine filter and a rapid sine filter. Again, rapid sine filter is being divided into rapid sine gravity filter and a pressure filter. The filter is being divided again, similar flow chart is being drawn. The filter is being divided into gravity filter and a pressure filter. Again, the gravity filter is being divided into slow sand filter and in rapid sand filter. So these are nothing but these are the type of filters. So this end up my today's session itself. So thank you very much.